welcome to this update. So let's discuss the severe weather because it got very dangerous. So today there's this light risk there in southern Texas and this marginal all the way to southeastern Missouri there. Tornado is just 2% there. Wind is 15% and a 5%, and hail is 15% hatched there and a 5%. And there's also this marginal there in Ohio and Pennsylvania there today for wind just. So let's see. Scarce, strong to severe thunderstorms are possible across parts of South Texas today. Isolated, locally severe thunderstorms are possible across the Mid-South and Upper Ohio Valley. So here you have the discussion if you want to read. So yeah, let's take a look here at the forecast. So let's see here the northeast first for that marginal risk there. Let's see if it's loaded. So you can see there in northeastern Ohio you have some storms popping there, and those could be strong in the afternoon, and some could be severe there. So look, more storms there popping and going to Pennsylvania there. Some more there. Not a big event, but there will be some storms there that will be strong today. So just be careful there. So south central here for Texas. Let's see. You have all this rain there. Lots of rain and storms. You have these other storms to pop there later in Texas and southern Texas, but it's not anything giant. But you can see some bigger storms there in southern Texas this afternoon. So and the rain continues north there. Yes. So just be aware there today and stay safe. But get ready. It's very big. Look at tomorrow. They just added this moderate risk on day 2. This is very concerning. This could be a big outbreak. So let's see, tornadoes 15% hatched and a 10% hatched and a 5% and a 2%. So wind 30% and hatched there in one area. Hail, significant hail, 30% hatched for hatched area, 10% or greater probability of 2-inch diameter hail or larger within 25 miles any given point. This will be very big hail and tornadoes as well. The hatched area, EF2 plus are possible. So numerous severe thunderstorms expected to develop and move eastward Monday afternoon through Monday night across parts of the southern Central Plains. Multiple strong, potentially long-track tornadoes and very large giant hail and severe damaging winds are also possible. So let's see here. Let's just read this because this will be an important outbreak. You can skip this part if you want, but let's see. Confidence has increased in a corridor of greater potential for strong tornadoes and very large hail with multiple supercells likely to develop across south central Kansas and west central Oklahoma late Monday afternoon and continuing through the evening. Accordingly, a moderate risk has been introduced. Daytime heating of the moist low-level air mass coupled with steep mid-level lapse rates will foster moderate to strong instability developing along east of the dry line. Monday afternoon peak pre-convected milk cape will likely reach 2,500 to 4,000 joules per kilogram. Peak pre-convective milk cape will reach, I told you, across much of the central Kansas into west central Oklahoma and northwest Texas. Strong, deep layer shear 40 to 50 knots will easily support supercells with initial thunderstorm development. Convective initiation appears likely early Monday afternoon as ascent with lead shortwave initially, but most guidance suggests fairly quickly transition to a cold front overtakes the dry line. An increasing threat for damaging winds with embedded tornadic circulations will likely occur at this mode transition occurs. It, in tandem with strengthening boundary layer shear associated with strengthening southern low-level jet, this damaging tornado wind threat may continue through the overnight hours. This is important. Overnight hours into Iowa, Missouri, and a slight risk has been expanded eastward for this potential. Further across western Oklahoma and south central Kansas, more modest large-scale ascent and related mid-level height falls associated with more westerly mid-upper level jet will eventually overspread the dryline warm sector by late Monday afternoon, although overall convective coverage will likely be lower compared to the locations further north. There should be better chance for supercell structures to be maintained as deep layer shear vectors appear more orthogonal for initiating boundary drying. A southerly low-level jet should strengthen to around 40-45 knots through early Monday evening across this area, greatly enhancing corresponding low-level shear with this SRH. The best chance for strong potential low-track tornadoes and giant hail 3 to 4 inches should exist, with any supercells that can persist Monday evening in a very favorable thermodynamic and kinematic parameter space, similar to locations further north in Kansas, Nebraska. Upscale growth should eventually occur across central western Oklahoma and kinematic space. Upscale growth, central western Oklahoma. A threat for damaging winds and tornadoes, some potentially strong, should continue Monday night into Tuesday, with eastward extent across the southern plains and sufficiently unstable and strongly sheared environment. Okay, so you heard that. So a couple things I want to highlight. First, the chance for nighttime storms, because you saw what happened in Oklahoma a few weeks ago. We had a damaging tornado that occurred during the night there in Sulphur. So please be careful overnight too. So this is very big. So this forecast I just told you will update. Of course, the update is multiple times per day, but this is a general consensus of what's going to happen. But keep in mind that this will change. This will update. I'll put all the links in the description here so you can check for yourself. But this is the general thing that's going to happen. Let's see if this model went far enough here for Monday. If not, we will check the name there. So let's see. May 5th, Monday, May 6th. No, there's nothing there yet. So let's see what we can get with the name there. So you see the snow in the Alps there, the low pressure coming. The storm start firing Kansas there through the afternoon and late afternoon and evening, but it's showing more of a line. It's not showing like very discrete. It's showing like more a line of storms there. You can see some fire in Oklahoma there, but strange that it shows valid 0Z Tuesday already. So I don't know why I chose Tuesday. Maybe you'll be late in the day and it will be alright Tuesday for them or something. But you can see there Monday, but the main line there, the main event is showing Tuesday there, 3Z Tuesday. So you can see this big line of storms there, moving east and gone. So very strong storms. Let's see what else we can find. Let's see just some cape here first. Sunday, Monday here. So you can see lots of cape there in Oklahoma. Very unstable there. In Kansas too, lots of cape, and there are the wind vectors too. So lots of cape. That's Tuesday, right? But as I showed you, so lots of instability. So I wanted to find some wind graphics here, but I'm not sure which graphic shows the wind shear and stuff. So this is the vorticity graphic here. You can see there with all the storms and everything, but there are surely better graphics somewhere, but I don't have premium of anything, so sorry. But let's see what I can find. So this is day 3, Tuesday. They added a slight risk. Categorical, yes. So scattered severe thunderstorms are possible on Tuesday from mid-south, northeast into parts of the Ohio Valley. And here's the discussion if you want to read. So yes, so be aware on Tuesday too is just a slight risk, and we will keep monitoring if they add probabilities or not. So day 4, wait, day 7, day 8, nothing. So there's just on day 4 here, for all those areas there, the potential for severe weather. So cyclonic north, yes. So just be aware there on day 4th. And let's just check here generally what's going to happen. So precipitation, wait, why isn't this working? Oh, okay, here. So Wednesday, day 4 is Wednesday, so, but it shows some more storms on Thursday there, but mainly Wednesday there, day 4. It's hard to see with this model here, but we'll get some short range models closer to the event. But just be aware on Thursday the potential for severe weather in those areas there. So let's just see here. This is the supercell composite I found here. It says Tuesday here too, but I think this will be like late Monday, because you check like Monday 21Z and it shows like lower supercell composite, but then you check the first graphic for Tuesday and it shows very high there, so maybe that's late Monday or something. I wanted to show you the bulk shear too, because this will be important. So it shows Tuesday, alright, too. Let's see, but there will be some shear there too to support supercells. So the excessive rainfall outlook, they added a moderate today for Texas because of the thunderstorms and stuff there, of the flash flooding. So be careful there, and a marginal all the way to southern Illinois in a slight. Day 2, wow, there are 2 slights there in Kansas there, Missouri, Iowa, Nebraska, and another slight in Montana all the way to Canada, and this marginal there. Day 3, there still Montana and around the Midwest. Day 4, which has the severe weather too, another slight. Day 5, another slight for excessive rainfall. So let's see here. The fire thing now. So let's see. Today there's also critical fire danger there, but tomorrow there's more too. Critical and elevated in those areas. Strong winds too. So be careful with wildfires and everything. But the main thing is this severe weather. Please be safe tomorrow. This is really serious. We won't have time to make more videos, but if there are big changes to the forecast, we'll make a video tomorrow. But if the forecast remains, we won't have time. So let's see here. North Central US, maybe. So there in Kansas and Nebraska tomorrow, you can see the storms there. More storms in Nebraska there, firing. In South Dakota, some storms too. Maybe some snow there. And then the line of storms moves to the Midwest and Great Lakes there on Tuesday. So please be safe with this and follow safety recommendations and do all you can to stay safe. I'll just search here some recommendations so you can see, but let me tell you. So if you don't have a bunker, have a place to go in case of a tornado, or if your house is strong, go to an interior room, lowest floor possible and everything. Protect yourself from hail, your vehicles and everything. Please be careful with winds, lightning and everything in thunderstorms. And yes, please be safe. Now put some more links in the description so you can see the safety tips. Here the interstates, yes, good. So please be safe tomorrow. This will be big.